Namaste. Today we are here at the Shri Vithoba Ganapati Mahadev Mandir, also known as Prati Pandharpur, located in Vadala in Dadar near Mumbai. Come join us in knowing the history and significance of this temple. Ashadi Ekadashi holds a great spiritual significance among the Varkari Sampradaya of Maharashtra and for the followers of Lord Vitthal in Pandharpur. Lakhs of people walk down to Pandharpur on this day to get a glimpse of their beloved Lord Vithoba, an avatar of Lord Krishna or Vishnu, who stands on a brick with his hands on his waist. About 400 years ago, an ardent devotee of Lord Vithoba from Mumbai's Vadala, which was then an island, is said to have travelled to Pandharpur along with his Shishyas on a wari. While on the banks of river Chandrabhaga that flows alongside the Pandharpur temple, the Shishyas found the Murtis in the river. Being delighted to receive it as a blessing from the Lord himself, the devotee brought the Murtis to Vadala and consecrated it outside his hermitage on Chaitra Shukla Trayodashi. It is also said that Sant Tukaram Maharaj was a contemporary of the devotee and was invited to grace the consecration ceremony. Today, the Vithoba Ganapati Mahadev Mandir stands in this place and has gained prominence in the city as Prati Pandharpur, or a look-alike of the Pandharpur temple because of the resemblance of Murtis. The temple houses a rivetingly beautiful idol of Lord Vithoba and his consort, goddess Rakhumai or Rukmini. Sundarate dhyana ubhe vitevari, karakatavari dhevuniya, tulasi haragala kase pitambara, avade nirantara hechi dhyana, मकर कुंडले तळपती श्रवणी कंठी कौस्तुभमणी विराजित तुका म्हणे माझे हेची सर्व सुख पाहिन श्रीमुख आवडीने. These beautiful lines composed by Sant Tukaram Maharaj get reverberated in the mind as one sees the Vigraha of the Lord standing right in front in the Garbhagriha or the Sanctum Sanctorum, invoking a deep feeling of divinity and bhakti within. A small idol in black stone of Garuda, the Vahana of Lord Vishnu, stands elegantly at the entrance of the Sabhagriha, facing the Sanctum Sanctorum. On the left of the main Garbhagriha is the shrine of Lord Ganapati, which also has the Murtis of Lord Dattatreya and Devi. On the right is the shrine dedicated to Lord Mahadev, housing a beautiful Shivaling inside. His Vahan Nandi is seated on the outside with a kurma or tortoise in the front. Within the temple premise, there are other small shrines dedicated to Lord Hanuman, Shani Dev and Kal Bhairav, Sai Baba of Shirdi and Lord Dattatreya. The Vithoba Ganapati Mahadev Mandir is located right outside the Dadar East Monorail station in Vadala and is at a distance of about 2 kilometers from the Dadar railway station, which would take about 10 to 15 minutes by cab. Do visit this temple in the city to take the divine darshan and get immersed in the bhakti of the Lord on this Ashadi Ekadashi.